Hello students, today we are going to learn the nature of roots of given quadratic equation. We have learned the formula to find out roots of given quadratic equation. Now we are going to learn what is the nature of given quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, and the roots of this standard quadratic equation are x is equal to negative b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula to find the roots of quadratic equation. Okay. Now, what is the nature of given quadratic equation? How to find that we'll see. Suppose b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Suppose this is the first condition. Second condition is that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. This is the second condition. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. Third condition, suppose b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. The roots are not real. When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. Here are the three conditions. First one, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. Now one example we will take, then you will understand. Two x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Here just we have to write the ABC values. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 5 and c is equal to 7. Just we have to find b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is equal to, b is negative 5, negative 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 7. 5 square is 25, negative 5 square plus 25 plus, here minus sign, 4 into 2, 8 sevens are 56. Answer is negative 31. Here answer is negative 31. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Negative answer. So, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We can write b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real. In this way, we can find the nature of roots of given quadratic equation. Suppose b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. It is equal to 0, they are real and equal. It is more than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Do you understood this? Or one more example? One more example I will take here. X square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to negative 9. We can find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to, b value is 2, b square 2 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 9. Now 2 square is 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 into negative 9 plus 36. Now the answer is 40. Now b square minus 4ac is greater than 4, greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. So here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore the roots are real and unequal. Now how to find the nature of the root of quadratic equation understood? Thank you.